Hey Student Success, welcome to your week 4 assignment video. So after this week, you are officially halfway done with this 8-week session. Hopefully you are excited about that. Just a quick plug, please make sure you are signing up for your Student Services Workshop assignment. That is coming up rather quickly for you all since we are only an 8-week course. Remember, in My Stark State under Academic Support, you're going to see nothing because it logged me out. You're going to see your academic workshop options to be able to, there we go, Student Success Workshops, to be able to look and see. So you can see there's still quite a list of workshops in September, and then you have some options in October as well. When you go in here, you click register, it's going to make you to register for Handshake, and then your workshop will be done through Zoom or in person if you choose to attend an in-person workshop. You are not sending me the email confirmation that you signed up for the workshop, because anyone can sign up for one. You are sending me the confirmation that you attended. So at the end, you'll get like a certificate of completion or a certificate of attendance, depending on what workshop you attend. That is what you are submitting in that Dropbox. So please make sure if you have not already signed up, do so soon because you are already running out of time. All right. For week 4, in the week 4 videos, you will see that we have 3 chapters worth of lectures in here, chapter 5, chapter 7, chapter 8. So please make sure that you have looked at those videos, you are familiar with the content of week 4, because there are multiple assignments this week, each of them dealing with one of the chapters. So you'll have a chapter 5 connected assignment, a chapter 7 connected assignment, chapter 8 connected assignment. So you want to make sure that you go in there, watch those videos. In the materials folder, there's all your links to the chapters, to their slides, to different links that you might need to help complete those assignments. So let's hop into the actual assignments. So your first is your discussion forum. So you do have a discussion forum again this week, due Wednesday for week 4 attendance. So please make sure you post original by Wednesday, responded to classmates by Sunday. So the chapter 8 discussion forum you're going to see deals with, because chapter 8 was the writing chapter, all writing topics. There are 4 topics. You are completing all 4. So there's not like pick 2 out of 6 or whatever, all 4 of these. So you need to look and talk about your past writing. Your worst writing habits have been. To overcome them, you will do this. Your mechanics. I generally make the following errors. I can correct them by. So make sure that you are taking each of these 4 topics and putting down what you would do for each of these statements. Okay, so all 4 topics, 2 statements per topic. So 8 fill-ins, if you will, for all of these. There's an example of how to complete the post right there. I think at this point we're pretty comfortable with posting in the forum, so just make sure you go in there, post your original response by Wednesday for week 4 attendance, respond to 2 classmates by Sunday. All right, your chapter 5 assignment, this is much like your chapter 4 assignment, so hopefully this is also pretty easy. You're going to click here, it's going to open up into a Word document, so hopefully this looks familiar because this was very much like your previous assignment. This is based on chapter 5, so reading connected. Areas of reading, reading comprehension, reading speed, reading vocabulary. So in here, you're going to talk about what do you need to do to improve your comprehension? What 2 things can you do? What 2 things can you do to talk about your speed? Meaning, do you think you read too quickly? Do you think you read too slowly? Like, how would you make corrections to that? And then vocabulary. So remember, if you have not already, please make sure you watch the videos. If you did not watch the videos, go back and do that, and or get into the materials folder and pull up your chapter 5 textbook link or your chapter 5 slides to help give you some suggestions on what to do to improve your different areas of reading. Okay? And then again, all 3 areas, what you're going to do in each of those areas, when are you going to take those actions? So the next time you read, the next time that you have an assignment, the next time you're in class reading, and then how will you know? How will you know your comprehension has improved? Your reading speed has improved, whatever that means to you. Reading speed is not always a dictation of if you're a good reader or not. Some people can read very quickly but have no idea what they just read. Or some people read very slowly and they know exactly what they read. So your speed is not always a make or break situation, but sometimes we might want to slow it down or speed it up depending on where we are. So just kind of keep that in mind. And then vocabulary. How will you know your vocabulary has been enhanced? All right, so please look at each of these things. What are you going to do to improve each of those areas? When are you going to improve them, and how will you know they have been improved? Save this file, go into the Dropbox right here, click into it, browse your files, find where you saved it and hit submit. All right, and then your last assignment this week is online learning right for you. This is like a two-part assignment, so keep that in mind. The first thing you're going to do is take this short survey. See, it's hyperlinked and it's highlighted. You're going to click there. It's going to take you to a survey, and it's going to ask you questions basically on your web savviness, your online learning savviness. You can see there's only 12 questions. Go through and make sure you answer each one that you consider yourself. Hit submit. You're going to get a score. Now, back in here, you're going to go ahead and click in here. You're going to answer basically these two questions. After you take the survey, submit your score and whether you believe online learning is good for you and why. And you can just click write submission. You know, I got a, 24 on the survey. I believe online learning is not a good fit because. That's really all you need to do. Okay, so tell me what your score is, whether it's a 12, a 15, a 24, and if you think online learning is a good fit for you and why not. So that's what you're doing. You do not have to upload your actual score to me. You're going to get it after you hit submit over here, and then you're just going to tell me I received a 16 and I don't think online learning is good for me because, or I received a 20 and online learning is a good fit because. So please make sure you answer that and hit submit. Again, you can just do that under write submission. You don't have to upload anything for that. All right, so to recap, post your original response by Wednesday, 2 class nights by Sunday, and then chapter 5 assignment due Sunday, online learning right for you by Sunday as well. Make sure you do the survey first and then your score, and if you believe online learning is a good fit or not by Sunday. If you have any questions, let me know.